Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course for all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Aussie dollar monthly, we only have a couple days left until the candle close. So I am kind of interested to see how this monthly candle closes. At this point, it definitely looks like it probably will end up going down and retesting these lows before it actually does go back up. But I still honestly wouldn't be surprised if this is just a big old bear trap and it really does end up going up and making that wave Y like we were originally thinking. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we definitely got a break of structure to the downside on the weekly. So you would expect this move down to either be a 1, 2, 3 to match the 3 waves down, 3 wave up pattern that we have right here, or you would expect it to be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most likely that is what's going to happen. But like I said, if it does break structure to the upside on shorter time frames, I definitely will take it as a long. So, taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is one big, strong move down. And there's really no signs that this is over. And honestly, there's really not a whole lot stopping this from continuing down. The trend is down, and there's no reason to think the trend is over yet, which is why I will continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, my most recent structure is way up here. So, any moves I see to the upside, I'm still looking at as nothing more than possibly just being a correction to the last wave down. Just like this move up right here was a correction to this, and this move up right here was a correction to this, this move up right here was a correction to this, and so on and so on. We don't really know that this is over until we get that break of structure, and we definitely do not have that break of structure yet. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, it looks like just one impulsive move up, so more than likely it's just a wave A. I normally wouldn't sort something with just one impulsive move up like this. I would have to see, some sort of a 3-way pattern up to a Fibonacci level, and then an engulfing move to the downside before I would be willing to sort it. Or on the other hand, if it really does go up and break this structure right here, that's going to tell me that that whole move down on the daily time frame, wave A or wave 1, is already complete. If wave A or wave 1 is already complete, then likely we would make a correction to that whole move down for wave B or wave 2. But none of that is even valid until we actually get this break of structure, which we definitely do not have. So keep a very close eye on your Fibonacci levels for more sorting opportunities. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.